50 type sarees. Narayanpet mercerized cotton, South cotton mix, Kanchi cotton, Maheshwari silk cotton, Chettinad cotton 80 count, Pavitra Kattam Sungadi, Rettapetta Kanchi, Banarasi sari, cotton crepe bagru, fancy sari, viscose georgette, Veltari Sungadi, semi tussar mango, Mangalagiri pattu, pure soft silk, Gadwal cotton, Narayanpet 100 count, Kanchi semi, Kadambari Sungadi, bridal semi silk, Gubera pattu, Chettinad 100 count, South cotton applique work, linen cotton, milky silk, semi silk cotton, batik cotton, fusion pattu, Khadi cotton, Pochampalli pure silk, Negamam cotton, bridal semi silk, Arani cotton, Mysore semi crepe, Kattan semi, chiffon sarees, Kalyani cotton check, Poondamil pattu, South cotton plain, Kanchi semi pattu, Kalamkari cotton, South cotton embroidery, Mangalagiri cotton, Paithani sarees, Mysore chiffon, Chettinad Kandangi, pure cotton, Kalyani cotton sarees, Palam Paramum, cotton crepe batik print.